Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you to find out the best plasma cutter in the market. Let's get started with the video. Number 5. Forney Easyweld. Allows you to drag cutting tip in direct contact with the metal you're cutting for smooth, consistent, clean cuts. All you need is 120 volt power source and 1.5 CFM of compressed air. Built-in regulator and air dryer make operation a breeze. 120 volt 20p plasma cutter is generator friendly, so on the go cutting and moving to different job sites is possible. Rugged all metal case. Built to take the day to day. Mild steel, aluminum and stainless steel from thin material to 1/4 inch with ease. With this plasma cutter, you can clean cut mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, galvanized steel, brass and copper up to 1/4 inch. Number 4. YESWELDER. Allows for connection to 110 or 220 volt receptacles without tools. Portable in the shop or at the job site at 13 pounds. The shoulder strap allows the end user to easily move from location to location. Automatic compensation for voltage fluctuation, overcurrent protection, overload protection, temperature control. Efficiently cuts through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. Pilot arc technology allows you to cut without touching the tip to the metal. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. Number 3. PrimeWeld. The 50A plasma cutter is used for cast iron, mild steel, copper, and more. The 200A TIG torch can weld magnesium and stainless steel. Use the 200A stick welder for minor welding repairs. The multi-purpose welder and plasma cutter weighs only 32 pounds, making it a great portable option. It features a duty cycle of 60% at maximum amps on all processes. It also easily switches from DC TIG welder to DC stick welder. This 200 amp welder consumes less energy, lowering the operation cost. The safe and user-friendly plasma cutter doesn't use flammable constituents, reducing exposure to risks. Number 2. Reboot. This plasma cutting equipment is available for cutting most metals. Stainless steel, alloy, aluminum, mild steel, carbon steel, widely used for automotive, ducting work, repair maintenance, metal processing, manufacture. Pre-made 3 seconds of blowing time after you release the torch to cool down the cutting torch head and consumables. Test the existing packaging is reasonable and reliable, can meet the transportation requirements. Automatic 110-220 VDC dual voltage plasma cutting duty cycle with 60% at 50A, 100% at 40A. Number 1. LOTOS. Efficiently cuts through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. Pilot arc technology allows you to cut without touching the tip to the metal. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. The pre-installed NPT 1/4 inch industry type D plug and air filter regulator allows you to quickly connect to your air compressor by using the stand coupler existing on your air compressor. The whole machine can be set up quickly within 1 minute. Lower your usage cost. Compact plasma cutter has a handle for portability and use non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, and aluminum. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.